Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make infographics using canva.com. First things first, you're going to go ahead and search for canva.com, and after you've logged in or created an account, you can just go ahead and press on more, and then you will tap on this infographic option where Canva will actually give you quite a few templates on the left hand side. I think I will just go with this one just to, and here we go. It's an infographic. You can actually choose from others, but these ones are actually included only in the Pro plan, so I'm gonna stick with this one for now. You can edit the text if you wish to, and the best part of it is that it's actually totally free, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can change the background color, you can change the pictures, you can move around anything, so it's actually unlimited possibilities for free. Okay, so that's for today's video, guys, and see you in the next one.